Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Silverado 3500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, engine block heater, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Inside you'll find push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.